The Lenovo Tab P12 tablet, 12.7 inches, right at $300 with the Smart Pen, currently on Amazon. This has a 3K screen. It also has a 4-speaker setup by JBL. This is 8 gigs of DDR4, 128 gigs of internal storage. Here is the tablet itself, just smaller than a full-size sheet of paper. It does have the single camera on the back, the magnetic mount for the pen. We have the connector pins if you had a keyboard, and then 2 of our 4 speakers, and then one on the sides, and then here again. And it is, of course, USB-C. Inside the rest of the packaging, we have some documentation, SIM card tool, our Smart Pen, which does lock onto the back, and then I believe our charger included, and I think this is a 20-watt charging brick. Here, this is a Smart Pen that links straight to the tablet, and it does charge by USB-C, which is quite wonderful. It's an aluminum body design with an adjustable tip, and it feels very nice. And it just locks right into place there. And then we do have this case in a dark blue to go with it, so we're just going to put that in there. But overall, the Lenovo P12 tablet is a really great device. I am excited to start using it more with the Smart Pen and associated features. I'm very excited for the JBL certification this has, and I will keep you updated on to just how awesome it is.